Hi students, welcome back to our class. So now we are going to revise Unit 3 Introduction to Python. In that chapter 1 we are going to discuss, that is chapter 1 getting started. So let me move on to exercise questions. So in that first question is create following variables. Okay, so you need to create the following variables. That is first variable is my string. So the variable name is my string. You need to understand this, within double quotes they have given the variable name only. You need to create this following variables only to contain hello. That means always variable only will be holding any value, no? So to contain hello means it's a string value. So string value need to be assigned to my string variable name. So when you are creating this my string in Python interpreter command line, so you need to write my string left side equal to of the, within single double quotes or single quotes you can write the string value, that is hello. Okay, so let us see that Python prompt. Okay, so Python prompt, after we have entered my string is equal to hello. So when I give my string that variable name in the next line, next Python prompt, no, so immediately it is displaying the value. So if you assigned the value even within single quotes or double quotes, that is going to be considered here as string value only. So that is assigned to my string. So now when you type the variable name and if you press the enter key here in a command line, then it will print the string value immediately. So if you assign correctly, it will you will get correct output. Okay. So let us move on to the same question. So now second question is, uh, you need to create the following variable only. So my float is the variable name to contain 2.5. So 2.5 is the floating point value. So that should be assigned. This is number. So number should not be assigned with single quotes. If you assign number with single quotes, how it is given in this question, no? If you assign in the same manner, that will be treated as what? That will be treated as string value only. Whatever value, even if it is a number or if it is a character, if you are assigning within single quotes or double quotes, that is going to be assigned to the variable as string value. Okay, so you should not use single quotes or double quotes except strings. For other data types, you should not use the single quotes or double quotes. So 2.5 you need to assign to left side. The variable name is my float. So my float is equal to 2.5 you have assigned. Next one is my int is the variable name. It is assigned with the value 10. So 10 should be assigned to my int. Okay, so that is an integer value. And now write the value justification. So how the value will be generated for this. So how will you evaluate this expression? Okay, so 2 star 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 first evaluated, that will be giving the answer as 7. So 2 into 7 is what? 2 multiplication 7. So if you see the priority of operators, we have studied in the under operators, no, operators topics beginning, that is priority of operators. Okay, when you are studying, when you studied expressions topic before, you have studied the priority of operators. In that parenthesis is having a higher priority compared to plus and star. Okay, so you need to solve the parenthesis operator inside whatever expression is given. So that should be solved first. So according to that priority of operators, we need to evaluate 3 plus 4, which is present inside the parenthesis. So that should be evaluated first. So the answer of 3 plus 4 is 7. So next we have 2 into 7. So only one operator we have. So there is no comparison here. So only one operator, just directly we can multiply two values. 2 star 7 is 14. So in the same method, second question, that is 2 star 3 plus 4 here, which is having higher priority among this plus and multiplication only having higher priority. So 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Okay. So next in the third one, 2 plus 3 into 4. So here which is having higher priority? Multiplication. So you need to evaluate multiplication first. So 3 into 4, 12. So 2 plus 12, 14. So 14 will be the answer. Okay. So next question, what is the type of the following result? So if you add these three values together, so 1 plus 2.0 plus 3. So in this three values, 1 and 3 belongs to, that is first value and the third value belongs to integer type. but second value alone is belongs to floating point type. Okay, because floating point values only will be having that decimal point or a dot. Okay, so this 2.0 is floating point, so other are integer. So among this integer and floating point only having higher what higher data range, so that higher data type is going to be taken here. So among integer and float, which is higher data type, float only. So the answer will be returned as floating point only. So if you are adding integer and floating point value, the final answer will be of what? Higher data type type only. Okay, so 6.0 will be the answer, and that is which data type? Float. Okay. Next, which of the following is the valid variable name? Which is the correct variable name? Valid means what? Correct one. Okay. So global. So in the first one, global, it is actually keyword. Okay. And then 99 flag C. It should not start with a number. Okay. So always variable name should start with letter or underscore only we have studied. So it should not start with number. So that is also not a variable name. Sum only it's a variable. So sum is only variable, and the answer, see here, it is not yes. Okay, an after dollar symbol wer. So only the special character which is allowed in the variable name is what? X underscore only underscore is allowed, not other special characters are not allowed in the inside the characters. Okay, so inside the characters, if you want to use underscore, that can be allowed here as a variable name. So here, which is the valid variable name? Sum only is a valid variable name. So I have given explanation for other three options. So which is the correct one? You need to find out according to the rules what we have studied for writing a variable name. Okay. So this is see here, all these uh, all these are executed, all these questions answers are checked here in this command prompt. After that only I have given you the answers correctly. So you can check with the, if you have Python in your laptop. Okay, so you can also verify with your laptop. Okay, and next one, see, global is equal to 6 I have assigned. Global, it is invalid syntax because global is a keyword. It cannot be, it cannot take any value. It won't take any value. And sum is equal to 10. Sum, if I print, immediately sum is returning the answer. So that is a valid variable. So dollar symbol, and then WER is equal to 5 I have assigned. See here, syntax error, invalid syntax, like that it is showing. And then 99 flag C also, it is showing invalid syntax. Okay, so among these four options, which is the correct variable name? Sum only. And here if you check 1 plus 2.0 plus 3, 6.0 only will be the answer. Okay, so type of 6.0 is what? Floating point. See here other first three questions. My int is equal to 10 I have assigned. My int, if you type, no, that is variable name, if you type, immediately it is displaying the result or value what it has already assigned. Okay, so like that we can execute in the Python interpreter, and we can check the outputs also. Next, fifth question, true or false. Okay, so character data type values should be delimited by using the single quote. Yes, character data type values, no, whenever you are typing any character or string values, that should be enclosed within what? Single quotes or double quotes. That is true. None is one of the data type in Python. Yes, none is also one of the data type in Python. None type is one of the type. Okay. So the plus equal to operator. So A is equal to A plus B, or A plus equal to 2. So what is the function of this A plus equal to 2? A is equal to A plus 2 only can be written in the form of A plus equal to 2. Okay. So that means what it will do? A is equal to A plus 2. The A value will be added with 2. Okay, that is right hand side value will be added with the left hand side value, and that is assigned to left hand side variable itself. Okay. So the plus equal to operator is used to add the right hand side value to the left hand side variable. Yes, it is true. The data type double is not a valid Python data type. Yes, it is true. So double is not at all used in the Python. So float only we are using, and complex data type we are using, and that numbers. Okay. Next is Python does not have any keywords. No, Python is having keywords. Global is one of the keyword. Print is a keyword. and then if is a keyword and elif is a keyword. So like that, def is the keyword. So like that, we have many keywords. Okay, the equal to condition is written by using the equal to operator. Yes, double equal to operator. True. Check all syntactically correct statements. Correct statements we need syntax wise correct statements we need to check it here in the following questions. First question, which input statements are correct? You need to find out. So in the among three options, which is the correct input statement? Raw input. This is not correct input statement. Let us see uh, how this is going to be executed in the Python interpreter. See, A is equal to raw input, raw underscore input. We have given nothing was displayed, so it is not used to get any value. Okay, so if you give A is equal to raw input of enter a number, so it is asking you to enter a number, so you need to enter the value 10, and then immediately if you type A is printing the displaying the answer. So this is correct statement. So next one is A equal to raw underscore input, enter your name. So enter your name, it is showing syntax errors. It's not syntactically correct. So first one and third one is not syntactically correct. So that which is the correct answer? Second one is the correct answer, because this should be the enter your name should be enclosed like this in a double quotes. Okay, and then input, in it is not input, it is the input. Okay, input is written, it's not input, it is an input. Okay, so it is also wrong. Next one, which print statements are correct? So underscore print is not at all there in the keywords. So which is the keyword, correct keyword for print? Print only correct keyword. So all the first three are wrong. So last one only correct. It will be printing 9. So let us check that also here. Underscore print 9 plus 9. So it is showing error, syntax error. And then int of 9 also. Underscore print int of 9 also, it is showing syntax error only. Then underscore print 9 plus 9 also, it is showing syntax error. And then print 9, if you type only, it is immediately printing 9. So which is the correct, syntactically correct statement? Fourth one only. Okay, next one, which are correct arithmetical operations? See, A is equal to 1 multiplication 2, it will give the answer as 2. If you type A, it will give the answer as 2. And here 1 plus 1, this is also literal. Literal means what? Constant. So 1 plus 1 also constant and 2 also constant. So constant cannot be assigned to another constant. That is literal should not be assigned to another literal. Okay. And then variable, that is 5 plus 6 should become in the right hand side, and y should come to left hand side. So this is wrong. This is also wrong only. Next one, 7. 7 is a variable name, equal to 3 star 4. It is 12. So if you type 7, if you type that word 7, immediately you will get the answer as 12. So let us check the output also. See here, A is equal to 1 star 2. If I type A, it is giving the answer 2. And then 2 is equal to 1 plus 1. Syntax error, can't assign to literal. Literal means constant. Okay, so 1 plus 1 cannot be assigned to another literal. Left side is literal only, no, constant only, no. And then next one, 5 plus 6 is equal to y. That means can't assign to operator. So here left side we have operator. So this y cannot be assigned to the operator. Next one, 7 is equal to 3 star 4. So if you type 7, it is immediately displaying results. So first one and fourth one is syntactically correct type 3. Correct arithmetical operations, first and fourth. And which are correct type conversions? First three are correct type conversions. The last one, it will give zero division error. That means any number cannot be divided by zero. It will be infinite only. Okay. So integer division or modulo by zero, error will be produced. That is zero division error will be produced. So which first three only, it will be giving the correct answer. So 7.0 plus 0.1, 7.1. So when it is converted to int, it will give the answer as 7 only. So let us see that answer also. See, int of 7.0 plus 7.1 will be producing the answer 7. String of 1.2 into 3.4. 1.2 and 3.4 both are multiplied. And then it is displayed as the string value. That is in single quotes, the answer is displayed. It is not displayed as a number. Okay, converted to string. STR of 9 by 0. 9 by 0, it is giving what? Division error. And float of 77 plus 0.0. So 77.0 will be the answer. Understood? Next one, which operations result in 8? So this fourth one is giving 8.0, but here they have asked the 8 only. 8 is the integer number, it is not 8.0. So you need to be very, very careful when this kind of questions are asked, whether it is an integer or floating point, that should be clear in your mind. So when you are dividing this, this is integer division only, no, two slashes indicates integer division. So 65 by 8 will be resulting into 8, okay? And then so quotient value only will be displayed here, and then 17 modulo division 9, 8 will be the remainder. So this is also correct. 2 power operator, that is double star means what? Power. 2 cap 4 is what? 2 is multiplied by 4 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 will be the answer. 64 into 64 power a half. Okay, 1 by 2 only 0.5. So that is giving answer as 8.0. So which operations result in 8? First two options only. Okay. See here 65 double division 8, that is integer division 8, it is giving the answer as 8. 17 modular division 9 is giving the answer as 8. 2 power 4 is, it is not it is showing syntax error. Actually 2 double star 4, that should be given without gap. Okay, so 16. 64 double star, that is power 64 power 0.5, 8.0 it is giving. So these are the answers. So correct which two statements are, which operations result in 8? First two operations. Next one, which lines are commented? So comment lines, normally it will be start with hash or triple quotes, it will be starting, and triple quotes it will be ending. Okay. So triple double quotes you need to start, triple double quotes you need to end. So the first two only correct in Python. Okay. The third and fourth is not at all correct. Now next one is you need to find out the matching pairs of expressions and values. Okay. And see here 1023, it's a integer number. So I have given number for this integer as 1. So none type, and 2 4, this is included in square bracket. Square bracket is list. Okay. So third one list, and fourth one true. True is the boolean data type, bool data type. 17.54 is floating, and Roger, see here it is the values are enclosed within the parenthesis, so it is a tuple. Okay, so tuple. My fat cat, see here it is enclosed within double quotes or single quotes, means it's a string, str data type. Okay. Now multiple choice questions. The dash data type allows only true or false values. Bool data type only will be allowing true or false values. So the true should be when you are writing true, the t should be capital. Even when you are writing false, when you are assigning false for boolean, so f should be false. Okay. Sorry, f should be capital. And so among these four options, which is the correct option? Boolean, none, bool. Bool only correct data type name. Okay. And now if the value of a is 20 and b is 20, then if you write a plus equal to b, that means what? When you expand this plus equal to, a is equal to a plus b. Like that only you should write. Okay, when you are expanding this plus equal to, left side variable will be coming to right side, and this plus will be coming to after that variable. So a is equal to a plus b only you need to write when you are expanding this a plus equal to b. Okay, so in that case a is equal to a plus b means 20 plus 20, what will be the answer for a now? 40. Okay, now let us check these answers also in your Python interpreter. Now, the dash operator is used to find out if division of two number yields any remainder. So, modular division only will be giving the remainder. Okay. See here, for match the following, type of 1023 is int, and type of none is none type, and type of this inside the square bracket they have given some numbers, that is belongs to which data type? List. Okay. Type of true, t is capital, so that is bool data type. Now next one is type of 17.54, that is float, and now within parenthesis we have given Roger and 1952. Okay, that is tuple, and my fat cat is string. Now next question, a is equal to 20, b is equal to 20. If you write a plus equal to b, So what will be the answer of A finally? 40. Okay. Now B plus 4. The next question we will see, when will the following statement in interpreter result into error? So when you are writing B plus 4, what will happen? Name error will be produced. Okay, B is not defined. So when B is not assigned with any value, this statement will produce the name error. Okay. So when, under which case this will be resulting into error? When B is not assigned with, when you are not giving any value for B. Okay. When you are not feeding or inputting any value for B only, it will produce the name error. Okay. Next, ninth question. How can we change the value of 6 multiplication 1 minus 2 to minus 6 from 4? So that means 6 star 1 minus 2 is yielding the answer 4. I should not get the answer as 4. Instead, I should get the answer as minus 6. So how I can change the expressions order or expression? Okay, let us see. See, when you are taking the same expression, it is giving the answer as what? 4. But I need to get minus 6. What I need to do in this given expression? So I just need to put 1 minus 2 inside the parenthesis. So that means this expression need to be evaluated first when you are giving the expressions inside the parenthesis. Okay. But when it is not given with the parenthesis, first priority is given to multiplication. So 6 multiplication 1, it is giving 6, then minus 2, 4. Okay, 6 minus 2, 4. Now after we make a changes, that is 6 star within parenthesis 1 minus 2, if you give, the answer will be minus 1. So 6 into minus 1, minus 6 will be the answer. So this is the answer. This only will be answer for you. Okay. Now, is Python case sensitive? Yes, Python is case sensitive. That means small x and capital X are different in Python. Okay. Next, we will see 11th question onwards. We will see in the next video. So let us start with this.